Sarah, have you been doing anything but trying to find shrines of the mountain right now?
Yeah, I haven't even collected a single item.
Well, like, have you hit any buttons besides ASD?
Q, that's it.
I don't think you even need to do that, dude. I think I'm just instantly killing everything.
That's kind of nice.
Well, it took my coral. Or one of them.
Coral! Alright, there's gonna be a lot of bosses, but a lot of loot.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Spam Q. Oh,
we're getting launched.
Oh, I got launched into space.
And they're dead.
I got launched into space so fast. Hey, yellow for everyone.
I'm Gucci. No, I'll take one.
Actually,
Okay.
okay.
You want no, Preston? You can have both yellows and all the greens here.
Preston, yeah, you can have all the greens. If you can get to it.
There. I'm just standing in the middle and fucking spamming.
Standing in the middle of it.
Here, come stand with me.
Someone didn't grab a go-to back there. Okay.
Yeah, as soon as we get into Mithrix, I'm just gonna non-stop fucking spam this shit. All the way up there, too. Can we all cheese it up there?
Oh yeah. Probably.
Yeah,
if I got a few more feathers, I could probably do it.
Okay. Grab the 2 greens in front of us here, Tanner. Get those as feathers. Because I know I can cheese it right now.
Yeah, I need a shit ton of whites.
Yep. I'll be the clearer. I'm fine with that. Oh, they stole my bungus from me.
Oh.
One of them.
Damn it.
Or did I only have one? I only had one.
I don't know, there's 2 of them. Should definitely. Ah, man, I hate to say it, but I kind of want to go back to the newt.
We can. I'm fine with that.
Can I ask why you want to go back to the new?
Yeah, a shit ton of fucking greens that I don't want.
Okay. Well, let's go.
We don't have to.
I'm fine with doing it.
I'm fine with it.
But I can trade in for some better legendaries.
Yeah. Okay, so nobody do anything. I'm just gonna hit Q a bunch of times and see how much money I get. I'm already at 40,000, 100,000.
Ooh, Shrine in the Mountain.
Time to start running around and doing it. Oh, corrupted bag boy.
Ooh. That summon corrupted items?
No. There's a bag here. I opened it. Oh, there is a legendary in it for free.
There you go, Preston.
And a shit ton of whites.
I just have to use all the whites for my attack speed.
I did hit a shrine of the mountain. It's not gonna fucking matter. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys. I could hit all of them and you guys wouldn't fucking care.
We did 6 of them, so.
I'm feeding the newt.
Sweet. I'm going into outer space right now.
Sick.
Found the portal.
Yep.
I hit one Shrine of the Mountain.
Hey, Shrine of Combat. What am I gonna get? Give me some grandparents. No, you just give me invisible bitches. Okay, well now they're all fucking dead!
So I got a blue that says every time you use a shrine it activates enemies. What does that mean? Because I already activate enemies when I hit a shrine.
Yeah. Maybe that's any shrine?
I'm gonna get a bunch of them, see what happens.
Which one is it, Tanner?
Defiant Gouge.
What does it look like?
Like a satellite, kind of. Like a hammer and sickle, but without the sickle, and like.
Just a circle?
It's a blue.
Oh, the hammer and chisel thing.
Yeah.
Ah, you know what? Fuck it.
I don't know. I'm gonna get a bunch of them. So I want to see what they do.
Yeah. I'm just gonna activate the fucking portal. We're going to the nude either way.
Wait 1 second. I'm gonna hit this. I want to see what this does.
Okay.
Oh, it does spawn enemies.
Yeah, I'm just seeing all my rockets go straight to you, Tanner.
Oh my god, the blues. There are so many blues here now.
Yep. Couldn't even properly load them. They died so fast their health bar stayed there while they were dying. Yep, and now I just stand in the middle.
Standing in the middle of it.
I think it corrupted.
We haven't seen one in a while.
Yeah. Tanner, half your rockets are not going out. Oh, same with mine, never mind.
Yeah, this one's kinda. This portal kinda screws us.
Yeah.
There's also a big guy right next to us.
Yeah.
Ow. Oh, I can't see anything!
Just look straight down. Tanner, look how many things
There's so
are
many.
out there. Yeah, most of those are mine. All the monsters there are mine, just saying.
Ooh, bullets. I just want to see how many enemies. Oh wait, nope, that's a blue item. I don't want a blue item. I want blue equipment. That's what I'm gonna say. I don't need that shit.
Okay, whenever we're ready, I'm ready to hit it.
I'm good to go whenever.
Gathering stuff.
Yeah,
Are you
there's a
good,
lot of
Kristen?
stuff.
There's a few more whites I need to get.
Oh, I lost my mask.
Damn it.
No more friends.
We are good.
Hit it, cricket.
I did. Okay, don't press Q. Do not press Q. I'm gonna stay out. I'm gonna stay out.
God, there's so many blue things.
Yeah, I have 17 right now.
Jesus.
Fuck that.
What?
It corrupted
What?
the blue. Fuck that.
Oh, it says it will too. See that?
What?
What the hell? So it says when it takes your items, it turns it into blue. It actually says it. See that?
Both of them.
Yeah.
Blue.
What the hell?
It's your perk, Tanner. The fucking handlebar or phone.
Damn it.
Never get that shit again.
I know, yeah, I'm never doing that again.
We are going to Mithrix. I'm just speedrunning it. I'm finding the fucking shrine, popping it, and killing everything. I don't care.
What if there's a shrine in the mountain?
Don't care. Better find it before I find the fucking portal.
Well,
Ooh, I found the portal.
well.
I'll give you a couple minutes to decide.
I'll give you a couple minutes. What is this? Ooh.
Allegedly, that was robbed from me, Tanner, because of
What do
you.
you mean? I had a key. That was for me.
Oh, new opener. Huh? That's a joke.
I mean, maybe you can get it, but then there's also the chance of it spitting out blue.
So Preston, get a key. You'll get legendaries out of those chests.
Maybe.
If you get a, yeah, well, I mean, I just did.
Yeah, but it's a chance thing.
Oh,
I got daggers and I got no fall damage and my thing. I basically had all of them, but. Let me check.
Can you motherfuckers stop spawning black hole dudes that follow you? Please. Hey, there's a bag here.
oh, open it. It's gonna be all whites and greens.
Ah! Zoom,
Can't even
cancel.
open it. Oh!
Ah!
Why can't we open it? The hell? We can't open it. What? It's a fake! It's a fake bag!
Oh, it's probably because it's outside of the fucking portal.
Okay, well, let's charge it real quick. Oh, shit. Bye, guys.
What?
Hit Q and I turned into a fireball. Oh, there's green spikes. There's green spikes. Woo!
Death. Preston. You weren't
Back
there.
Oh my god! Can't get near it. There we go. Now I'll try opening it. Oh, there we go. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hey, bunch of lights.
I'm just gonna get a bunch of these.
Are you ready?
It's up to
Yeah.
Preston.
Yeah, I got the bag and we grab this one green and.
Okay, I'm hitting it.
You better hurry. Alright, I just want to hit a bunch of shrines because I got a bunch of those things now. Why would I hit this? Nope, that doesn't do anything.
Oh!
What?
Oh no, it's just me.
Let me know if you see a shrine. I want to hit it. I want to see what it does.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Found one. Okay. I mean, it spawned enemies, but it wasn't anything crazy. I have a bunch of them now. So I don't think it stacks. That's all I'm gonna say. It doesn't appear to be stacking. They have how many now? 17.
Oh, it took one of my watches. So Still got 18 of them though. Fuck's this portal?
I know where it is.
Oh, here it is.
I only saw one shrine. Oh,
Don't fucking matter, Tainer. Hey, there's yellow and a green.
there you go, Preston.
2 yellows. And all greens.
Oh,
Still need a corrupted.
yeah, we still haven't found one of those, have we?
Yeah, those fucking went away, really.
What the hell?
No, Liv.
There's a gold on top here on the ledge.
Yeah, right up there. Yeah, I don't even know what's happening anymore, dude.
Wait, there's a vending machine here. What the hell? Oh, did I call it in? Yeah, I did.
Tanner, I have 25 blue circle-y things.
Oh. Dude, nothing is gonna get near you.
No. I still have 45 rockets for backups.
Jesus.
I get 1,000,000 cash, like, right at the start. Hey, corrupted! Give me a second, I got this.
Just watch out for the balls of death.
Yep. Motherfucker, watch out for them. No, they should be watching out for me. I just jumped over their bitch asses.
Damn, that corrupted turned into a fucking blue. Another blue.
Yeah, that was
maybe-
like.
I think they do stack now that I'm thinking about it.
What do?
The
Yeah, they do things.
Telephones? Yeah, dude.
no, the shrine things when I activate the shrines. I feel like there
Another
was a lot
bag?
more enemies that time. I'm gonna hit 2 at once, see what happens. I can't see anything.
I gotcha.
I might be dead. I can't see. I can't see. All I see is white.
Hey, I found the fucking exit.
Jesus Christ! Don't come over
Hey,
here.
Tanner.
What? Hey, I can see you again.
Hey, Tanner.
What's up?
It's your turn.
My turn for what?
You know.
No.
Come on, man. We all did it.
You don't have to, but
No, I want you to do it.
It would
Come
be
on.
pretty cool if you
I don't
did.
want me to do it.
Tanner, I'll protect you if you fucking slow as shit.
Don't worry, dude. It was super easy to actually get back up to where I was. I had actually more than I had.
Yeah, dude. All you have to do is just let me walk.
Yeah,
walk-
seriously,
Just
just
stick
sit-
next to me, and you'll
Yeah.
live.
And I'm
I
good now.
instantly
I'll give you
kill
every last
everything.
bit of my shit. I'm
Just
good.
fucking hit it, Tanner. Do it, pussy. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Come on, man.
You're doing it right after this. I hope you know.
Come on, man. Hit it.
Here,
it,
just
Tanner.
hit it.
Do it for
Hit
the
it.
family, dude.
Don't
Yeah,
think,
come
just
on.
do it. Don't think,
Yeah,
just do it.
Don't think, just do it, pussy.
You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
You'll be fine. There are so many items out right now. Okay? You can have every single item on the map right now, okay?
It's pretty much all blues right now.
I see whites, greens, fuck shit.
I got a whole stash over here for you.
Yeah. When this teleporter is done charging, you're hitting it.
Just do it, man. Come on. It's not gonna kill you.
Well, it might.
We
No,
got
it
you back,
won't,
dude.
Tanner.
I'm better now, dude. I can attack just as well as everybody else. I'm back up to full.
Yeah, I don't know what's fucking happening anymore.
You got this, Tanner. Hit it.
I don't know, man.
Come on. I'm not picking up any more items. This is it.
Wait, what is this?
So, whatever's on the ground for you is yours.
Wait, what the hell?
I don't like that.
Wait, what is that?
What?
Enter. Oh, enter. Wait,
Oh.
enter quantum tunnel. What is that?
It's a teleport. See?
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah.
How? What?
You probably have something that gives you X random fucking things every time you hit Q.
There's a stash now, dude.
Oh, that's what
You
that
got
does.
this.
Yep. It gives you another random thing every time you hit Q. Here, just fucking hit the shrine, okay? It's not gonna be bad.
I don't know. I think it will be.
Tanner, there won't be any more
Please,
enemies,
Tanner.
and even if they do, Tanner, just hit the fucking shrine. Come on, it's right back here.
I feel peer pressured.
Yeah, you should. Come on, hit it. Come on, Tanner. It's right here.
I don't know if I want to.
Do it! Come on! It's gonna be funny. Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do
Alright,
it!
I'm gonna
Do
guess.
it.
I'm gonna get 50.
Will o' the Wisps for white. You're gonna get fucking probably ATGs for green. For red,
I hope we get 100.
you're gonna get
dominoes.
fucking knives.
I want
Hit it.
100 dominoes.
Do it! Do it! That's only for your blue.
Yeah.
Did I get 100 dominoes?
No.
Oh,
I got
fuck,
40
dude.
of those though.
Yeah. So just start picking up everything now, Tanner, you want. They're all yours.
Dude, you got so many secondary skills.
Yeah.
Right side, there won't be any more blues.
You have 71 infusions! You have so many shifts too!
Oh my god. On the bright side, there won't be any more blues.
Yeah!
Yeah, so that means that you'll even get right back up to
Faster
No
than
time.
fucking Preston.
no time.
Oh yeah, I can stop pressing Q now.
Yeah.
There is a green over here.
Deal.
There is
Leave
nothing in the back but blues.
Don't worry, I'll get there eventually.
Yep. I'm just speedrunning just to see what there is. Nothing up top. There is one white back here if you want that. Technically two whites, but one's inside the blue.
I'll get there one day.
Yep. Yeah, that's like all I see. But next one you're gonna be fucking set, dude.
Don't worry, I'll get there one day.
I'll stay right next to
I'm
you.
just happy you did it, to be honest.
Yeah. Good shit.
I haven't even gotten to the first white that you called out. Where is
Yeah.
it?
It's right back here.
There's like two whites up here, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, I've stopped hitting Q ever since I did.
Yeah,
It's still going.
There's one mixed in with this one.
Yeah.
There's one mixed in with this one.
You can get this one pretty easily. It's kind of. Yeah, get more goat legs for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you can cheese it, bud. Anymore.
He's what?
Getting to Mythrix right now. Oh, you just got more of those?
Yeah,
Okay.
I already have 40 of them.
Yeah. Then I...
Oh,
Yeah.
there's another white in here. Or in the storage container.
Oh, yeah.
And a green.
Yeah. And a white here. 2 whites and a green over here.
Don't worry, I'll get there.
Yep.
What'd you get for legendaries?
He got
wait, I got-
afterburners.
Yeah, afterburners.
So he gets 2 extra on his fucking shift, is it? Or is it your...
Well, I have 23 shift and 32 right clicks. So... Yeah, you tell me.
Okay, I think that's all for this stage.
I think so.
I'll get you set next stage, Tanner, don't worry. I'm sorry, my rampage?
I get 1,000 healing. I just need corrupted. I just need 1 corrupted.
Don't worry, you'll get some now. There won't be any more blues spawning. Hey, there's some items.
Yeah.
Starting to see them drop.
I found the legendary chest. I don't have enough for it right now, but I'm working my way up.
I can hack it.
Oh yeah, if you want, it's up here. I'm just gonna go running. Is that a shrine of the mountain? It is a shrine of the mountain.
Get that Guho.
Oh yeah, Tanner, I completely forgot I should be sticking by you for protection.
Oh, that was so funny to watch.
I don't know why I should even stick by you. If I just keep spamming rockets, they're instantly lock
What
onto
is
them.
this thing?
What thing?
They have rockets on their back and shit.
Oh, I think that's the bad guy. Pretty sure.
Well, I'm getting fucking. I'm dead.
What?
Those guys are bad boys.
Okay, maybe
Rocket?
they're not. I thought they were the bad guy.
Time to run through a corrupted zone and spam my fucking shit.
Okay, where's all the items at? Holy shit.
There's a bunch down here.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, I better not hit that shrine. Ah, you know what, I'll hit it. You're here. Oh! Yeah, I don't think they stack, because I have like 40 of them and there were like 5 enemies.
I'm pressing because I got this corrupted.
Oh yeah, they don't turn blue anymore.
Eh, it wasn't gonna be what he wanted either way.
I do. I want to corrupt my bunguses.
Yeah, that's not a bungus one.
Oh, I gotta do that again too. Yeah, mine are gone too.
Live for is fucking glass and rockets.
Holy! So many slimes!
You okay though?
Oh yeah. There's like 20 of them that spawned over here.
Oh.
There we go, I got my fireworks.
I just watched those guys T-pose spawn in and die instantly. know I saw the portal somewhere. Oh, it was up here.
Okay.
Oh no, there it is.
Can you fuck off? God damn, there's so much ice.
Here, Tinner. I'm just gonna hit this so you can fucking keep going with whatever you want.
Okay.
There's some yellows up here.
Sweet.
One yellow, bunch of greens.
Okay, am I finally done down here? Not quite.
Fuck, I died.
Got it. No, you didn't. You're lying.
Nope, I did.
Oh my god.
I was just pressing Q without my hands there and I got fucking fireballed to the face.
This is about the worst case scenario, boys.
And I got about half charged.
I got my speed back at least. That's about all I got back so far.
Just stay, run around in the teleporter honestly if you can. Run! Spam rockets when you can.
I don't have as many as I did.
Yep.
Oh wait, the radius got back.
Did
Nice.
it?
Yeah, the
Oh, it
radius
did.
is back to normal. So I can
Oh
stand
yeah,
over
because
here.
I'm dead.
Stop lasering me.
Then all I have to do is tap the portal.
There we go.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
good to go.
The ring is big again. I just gotta not
Yeah.
die.
Just run there, hit E. Just hit E a bunch. Or, you know, get on the portal, actually. Yeah, just start fucking cluster bombing them, Tanner.
Airstrike!
Yeah. Fucking lay into them. Don't fucking let them breathe. If you have more, you're not doing it right. Hit it! Hit it! Hit it!
Hit the portal.
Hit it! Yeah, hit
Oh,
the fucking portal!
Press E!
You just have to press E on
I
it!
can't see it. Oh, it's right there. I think
Run
I
away!
did it.
Run!
did it.
Run for your life!
I did
Yeah!
it.
Oh my god, that was so stressful.
Couldn't see anything.
Fuck.
Still can't do shit really. All I can do is run around. Holy.
I died.
What? I can't do shit. I can't do shit. There's green spikes everywhere.
Trying to take care of him, but fucking won't die.
Oh, did I do that? Whoops. Oops. Hey, now we can go to the nude.
No, Tanner, I just want to end it now.
Why?
I don't know, do you want to go to the nude?
Heck yeah.
Not really.
Pull. Fuck off.
That was scary as fuck. Wow! I was wondering why stuff really wasn't dying that fast. I didn't have watches. I lost all of them.
Oh.
Yeah, but
That
now I'm
explains a
back.
lot.
I'm better than ever. Alright, metrics time.
Okay.
Like how I only have 900 health.
Only.
Follow me, brothers!
Onwards.
We can all jump up there, right?
I can.
I can't. I'm just gonna run and do them real quick. There are a lot of fucking guys here. I'm just gonna run through and start clearing. One. Oh no, you took one of my ATGs.
Bro.
Yeah, Tanner, I have 46 of the blue balls around me right now.
Jesus Christ. So in other words, nothing can touch you.
Oh yeah. And you can't forget that I have 36 broken watches.
Oh yeah.
So if anything even attempts to step to me, it dies. Did not like that. Scary. Fuck you, grandparent. Yeah, don't even fucking step to me, bud. You're already dead. You spawn, die, spawn, die, spawn, die. That's all you've been doing.
Spawn
You
die,
cannot
spawn
stop
die.
me. You cannot stop me. I am better.
Oh, I got flung. One of the grandparents just launched me.
Wait. Okay, everything's open.
Sweet! Okay, heading to the nearest one.
Yep, I'm up here.
And boink. I'm here.
You wanna watch them spawn, die, spawn, die, spawn, die?
Oh, hi, guys.
Hi.
You guys gotta come down here a bit.
Hello, Mr. Meefrix.
I told you, spawn, die, spawn, die. This is when things start to get scary, but I'm just gonna keep spamming rockets.
Okay, we're getting some stuff back. Nice.
That was over.
Yeah.
Now, do we...
Oh yeah, we definitely go fight that bitch, Tanner.
Yeah.
You know, you just gotta pay that 10 fucking coins. I am here to feed a frog.
Rivet.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What's up, bitches?
Doesn't Preston always die?
No. Not all the time.
I'm going straight to that bitch's fucking face. Tanner?
Oh, did I have to be down here?
Yeah.
I'm here, fellow people. I'll keep stunning them.
Don't worry, I got him. Hey look, our tearing space. Oh, that's the wrong way. What?
Uh-oh.
I'm dead.
See, that's what I did not want to see.
Preston's dead.
I don't know how much I can do here.
Just keep launching rockets.
They can't hit me here, can they? I think I'm cheesing it.
Oh, you can't use your shift in here either. Shit.
Nope. Woo! Hey, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hey. Knock it off. I mean, I still get unlimited Q, but it's not doing that much damage if I don't have any of my shit. Okay, they're moving now, I don't like it. Just die! You might be here a while, guys. So how's your guys' day?
Oh, pretty good.
Oh, that's good.
Just
Did an oil change.
Nice.
Was invited out to B-dubs.
Yeah, you're getting your oil change.
That was at like 5, dude.
Sorry about it.
It's almost dead. Don't worry.
One of them's almost dead, then all the rockets will focus on one.
Come on, focus on that one. Focus on the weak one. Okay, now I can't tell which one it is.
It's the one to the side.
Get him. Oh, don't look at me like that.
He's doing this suck thing!
Hey. Wait,
You killed the other one so fast.
you guys don't respawn at all?
Nope.
Oh. Why did you guys
And now you
respawn?
gotta get close to him.
Well. Let's see how fast I can move.
Find the safety rock. Find the safety rock.
I don't know how safe this rock is. I don't like that spot.
Go behind those poles.
Yeah, I like this spot better. Nope,
Yeah.
nope, can't go that
Nope.
way.
Nope. Oh, Tara, sit right in. Alright. You gotta lure them over here. Yeah.
There we go. I don't know, this still seems sketchy. We'll see.
Yeah.
I got my...
They're rocking away! Behind that rock!
Yeah, this rock looks good.
Oh,
okay.
fuck, laser.
What about up here? Oh, I can't shoot my rockets up here though.
You know the rockets go through the stuff, right?
Oh, do they go through stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the ATGs that don't.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, up here is really good. As long as they don't walk away from you.
Yeah.
This one's gonna take a lot longer.
Yeah, a little bit. Hey, fuck off. Don't worry, guys, we will win.
There's a little bit of health gone.
Please don't walk over here.
Go back a little bit?
You can't see me, can you? Can you see me?
He can.
Let's go back over here. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. We're getting there, we're getting there.
We're getting down to halfway. It looks like they're both about taking the same amount of damage.
I wonder if it's like focusing each one at the same rate. Oh! Get out of here. Let's keep shooting your leg then, fine.
And then they're also going after all of those first, because those are
Yeah.
closest.
Eat stun, bitch. At least they're dying quickly.
Yeah. Oh, I hope you're level 4, you fucking won.
We're almost halfway.
This game's almost taking us 3 hours.
1 hour being this one level.
No.
I'm glad I got 50 of these bubbles.
Yeah, that's really saving your life, honestly.
Yeah. Because as soon as it breaks, it just regenerates.
Yeah. Oh shit. Tina, I hope you know my ATGs beat your fucking shield.
Jesus.
It had to kill Mithrix. I didn't single frame them.
Damn. Okay, we're about halfway.
And they're all focusing that one right now.
Woohoo!
Keep them focused on that one, Tanner. Don't let them go after that other one. He might be doing his black hole thing, sucky power.
Sucky, sucky, sucky one time.
I should have got a Deal's best friend.
Should've. I did, but then it took it away.
Yeah. Die, 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 die. Sad part is you're only doing 300 damage a rocket.
Yeah. Yeah, because it took away all my good stuff, all my legendaries. I did get one back. I got the rocket one back.
Yeah.
And I'm glad I took that one. Like, if I had daggers right now, oh. Different story. Fuck out of here. I also got a bunch of fungus right before we went in. Standing still is helping me out a lot.
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Okay, something's hitting me now. Stop it.
Yeah, we got into the 170 minute marks.